All right, friends, we're gonna start working on some adding. So remember, when we are adding, we're gonna see the plus sign. So it looks like that, a stick with another stick that goes across. And I'm gonna remind you that when we're adding, we're gonna circle the big number and then we'll add touch points to the small number. So let's start over here with this one. We have a 6 and we have a 1. Which number is bigger? All right, if you said the 6, then you are right. So we'll circle the 6. And then what do I do to that small number? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add a touch point. Point to it and say it. 6, and then count up, 7. So what was 6 plus 1? You're right, it was 7. Now over here we have 4 plus 7 and then the equal sign. Which number do we circle? Go ahead and circle the 7. And then we're gonna add our touch points to the 4. Point to the big number and say it, 7. And then we'll count up, 8, 9, 10, 11. What was 4 plus 7? 11. All right, over here to this next one. Go ahead and read the problem. All right, we're gonna circle the big number, add touch points to the small number, point to the big number and say it, 5, and then we'll count up, 6, 7, 8. Now remember, you can either do your snowman 8 or your tricky S8. You know what, let's sing the song for 8. Make a nest, but do not wait, slant back up for number 8. All right, we're gonna come on over to this one now. Go ahead and say it. So circle the big number, and then we're gonna add touch points to the small number. Point to it and say it, 6, 7, 8. This time I'm gonna do my snowman 8. All right, on to the next one. Go ahead and read it. Circle the big number, add your touch points to the small number. Now remember, with this smaller number, we're gonna need chocolates and we're gonna need some vanillas. So 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolates. And then I'm gonna add my vanilla to it. 1, 2, 3. All right, this is gonna be a little trickier, but I know we can do it. Point to the big number and say it, 9, and then we're gonna count up 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what was 9 plus 7? 16. You know what? How do I write the number 16? What comes first? I'm pretty sure you're probably saying a 1 and then a 6. Go ahead and pat yourself on the back for that. Now over here, I'm trying to trick you and see if you remember what to do. Are one of these numbers bigger than the other? They're not? They're the same? Okay, so we're just gonna circle one of them and then we'll add touch points to the other. It really doesn't matter if you circle the big the top or the bottom, because they are both the same number. And like we did before with the 7, we're gonna need chocolates and vanillas. And you guys told me before that looks like a silly alien 8, and that's all right. It does look kind of silly, but that's okay. It will still help us count or add. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. All right, nice job with adding. We'll go over a few subtraction problems now.